How to choose J.J. Keller and Associates as your transportation service provider on your MOTUS registration. After identity verification and entering your business information, the next screen will ask, who will be completing this application? Select, I will designate a transportation service provider on my behalf. Enter the J.J. Keller and Associates filer number 6573264. Click Search. J.J. Keller and Associates Incorporated will appear on the screen. Then designate. Our compliance experts will receive your application and get your authority in queue to complete the next steps. Setting up a DOT number can be confusing. J.J. Keller will help you navigate the process, avoid mistakes, and move forward with confidence. We're here to help. Contact us at 888-601-2017 or visit truckingauthority.com.